Okay, this is the first video about the fuel injection management system that I created. Well, okay, it's a hobby. It started all with a problem I had with my GS500, and I were not in the will to fix the carburetors. I cleaned those up several times. They didn't work as they should. So I decided to create a fuel injection management system, and I started to gather information about the possible pieces that I could use for this project. What you see here is the EQ. It's the management system, and here there is several information about the system. Right now it's oscillating between several values because we don't have the output connection system that goes in there. Also have a DB25 port here to get or connect or get power for the board. I have several values, and the first one, let me take a pointer. This is the lambda value about the system. This is connected to a lambda sensor, and value it's being get from here, but this is dead because it's not connected to 12 volt, but it's going to be in a couple of minutes. This is the position of the primary sensor or throttle body. Here we have the amount of time in milliseconds that the injector should be open for the engine to work, and revolutions in thousands per minute. This is the amount of microseconds it's taking to the EQ to calculate the several values required for the engine to work. This is the amount of time that the injectors have to be open for the engine to work. This is what I think it should be. Based upon several calculations, according to the lambda reading, I'm going to adjust this one to be either less or more. And here I have the fuel pump. Fuel pump has to be adjusted because the fuel injectors are way too big for the engine, and I'm planning to turbocharge the machine. So the bigger fuel injectors give me some room to do that. And this is all created around an Arduino, and here you can see all those blue cables are connected to the LCD. And here I have several components. I'm looking forward to create shields for the Arduino to make it work with the fuel injection management system. And this is a Lambda controller that I bought on the internet. I'm also planning to create a shield for the Arduino to read the values from the Lambda sensor and make the complete system. One shield that it's going to replace all this, and one shield that it's going to replace the lambda sensor. And I'm also planning to create a really nice dash with a lot of information and barometer and temperature, revolutions per minute, lambda, fuel injection, how much fuel you are using, and all those values that make obsessive compulsive people happy. And I'm hoping they're going to be here soon. Here is the board that I ordered, so I'm hoping it's going to work really nice. And let's take this outside to check if it's going to work again. Consider that I make use of a ER6N Kawasaki fuel injectors, and this is a custom piece, and I'm thinking about creating CNC machining parts to adjust. There are several other components, and there is the fuel pump.